kaut ko atradīs, bet nu...
Aiz tiem kofiniem jāiet ir.
Tā ir bloks jau atkal low.
I'm in there.
Un bloks ir nedaudz low kā.
Viņš skatās uz mani. Viņš teikt, uzliek man blakus chest, Doran.
Nā.
Viņš man uzliek blakus chest. I'm just standing here, Dorian. I'm just standing in here.
I don't think I can go in my blocks a bit slow. Nu, tad nohasīt kaut ko ātri.
I sees me. He saw me.
Oh no. Paslēpies.
He's running after me.
Es
You can't get out
eju
here.
iekšā lūtot.
Hey man, let me out, man.
Es eju iekšā lūtot small gem storage.
Do I loot all these? I'm just holding them here.
Take all. Small chest. Es lūtoju small chest. Kaut kāds huija viņiem tā ir.
You man secretly another damage, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, you can get out.
You can?
Yeah. I'm baiting them away. I mean, they're trying to kill me, but
Saki,
I'm
kāds
fighting
nāk
back.
apakaļ.
Yeah, they're both still chasing me.
Okay,
Still
es
chasing me.
dabūju. Pagaid, blokpress. Es viņus patīru un nolikoju viņus patīru.
Everything gotta go home.
Jā, es visu nolikoju. Kā ārā tikt.
Tev jāiet pa kreiso pusi visam apkārtēji.
Okay.
I'm gonna go into my house.
Uz mūsu pusi, uz mājas pusi tālāk, ja?
Viņi iet apakaļ.
Okay. Viņi pagaities?
Yeah, they're kinda saying to me, they're trying to kill me, but you know.
Okay, es nāk ārā. Tā. Okay, I see. Es visu pulī nolikoju. Viņi pie durvīm mums? Jā.
Jā, viņi pie manām durvīm mēģina man nosist. Ir mūsu durvīm stāv.
Excuse me? Man ir viss lūdzu, ieček.
Dā. Divi uzlīgi.
Iečekot lūdzu.
No way. Viņi aizies mājās, tur būs viss empty. Hell no.
Bro, I would just DC at that point. Nah. Tagad jāapsās no augšas these suckers, wait. Ko viņi dara? Are they clocked on yet? Vai šeit bāzēs? Vai tagad viņi tikai uzkodīs vai kad? Oh no. Someone's clocked on now, definitely. No.
It's so spooky, guys. Why would anyone live in RB?
It just like...
Creepy. This place is so creepy, guys.
I got something creepy in my pants, I think.
Oh. Yeah, man otrs šeit still.
Okay, kinda close-ish, closing in. Very close now. Man skriet tev garam vai palīdzēt?
Palīgam.
Okay. Šovu. Nesit. Хуй что там?
Ха-ха, долбоёбы, блядь, двое на одного, уёбки просто конченые, нахуй.
Мам, я ебал.
Ебанут.
Точнее, трое уже.
Сыны шлюх, блядь.
Но зато преуспели, так сказать,
Ой,
в знании.
Beijo, блядь.
Крим наш.
Like Loki tell that. Could tell that bitch was female, so bad. It's not a dara.
Ir vēl dudes.
Yeah, I'm getting low.
No. When it divides by 3, I would want to go.
Yeah.
Not yet. Surely they are getting low and desperate. You can't just heal, you know. Tu nevar tā healot.
Nu tur var nolikt lejā, athīloties, un tu uzlido apakaļ augšā, bet tad jau kāds redzētu, ka te platformā čaļi sēž lauki.
Mūsu, nē, tā tik.
Yeah, go now. Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1,
go.
Go. Get low.
Snel vind ik short mooi terug.
Ja. Is dice boss John? Is dat het?
Done.
Die begint.
Bro.
Nah!
Kunnen we niet.
Dead it.
Oh no.
Level 60.
I'm running,
Run.
I think I'm running.
He's chasing you, he's level 4. You're dead. Aren't you?
Oh my god, yeah, I'm never outrunning. Oh my god, he's so bad in snow jump with Leia.
I got hella iron though. I'm running away.
No, I'm running towards Iron Cave and I'm only
You're
at
so
50.
bad, man, you're so bad. Holy man. Holy shit, you're so bad.
Are you gonna be Orcus?
You're so bad.
I'm running to base. I have
Oh
like
my
2k
God.
iron.
I would just uninstall if I was you, man. Holy.
Bro, yapping. I mean, we can't kill him, can we?
No, I know I died for it. Hopefully the boss was more.
Probably. Dorian, you need help?
I'm not sure if I'll ever outrun him, like, speeds are just broken, but like, he's very terrible though.
I have 2k iron ore, I'm just bringing it
Yeah,
home.
just
I'm
say,
gonna cook it.
maybe I'll outjuke him here.
Nee, toen is er gear papis. Door de beeld die ook
I might have outjuked him. Keyword might have.
Oh, fucking old ass Grams doesn't know Discord. Oh, GG.
Discord, блять!